The future of community risk reduction, navigating challenges and embracing opportunities for a safer future, created and presented by Jonathan J. Johnson. Hi, my name is Jonathan J. Johnson. I've served in the United States Navy for 14 years. My current rank is an E5, Petty Officer Second Class. My job, Hospital Corpsman. I've been on 2 deployments, one in Afghanistan and one in Cuba. My current civilian job is Baton Rouge Fire Department, so I've obtained the rank of Fire Equipment Operator. I have over 20 years of experience in fire and emergency services. As you can see, community risk reduction plays a major role in my day-to-day life. Welcome all. This presentation will cover the topic of community risk reduction and the importance it serves in the community. Embrace the power of unity and the purpose in our journeys towards community risk reduction. By coming together, sharing knowledge, and taking proactive steps, we can transform challenges into opportunities, create safer environments, and build a future where resilience and preparedness pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. Let's inspire one another, empower our neighborhoods, and forge a path to safety that is driven by collaboration, fueled by collective determination to protect what matters most. I've attached the 5 E's of community risk reduction: enforcement, engineering, emergency response, economic incentives, and education. To the left, you'll notice fire prevention inspection activities. Prevention is key. On this model that's to the left, you see a couple of activities: occupancies, new construction, remodeling, re-inspections, regular inspections, and so on and so forth. This was pulled directly from Baton Rouge Fire Department's website. Baton Rouge Fire Prevention: raising public awareness about fire safety, prevention, and evacuation plans is vital. Engaging communities through workshops, informational campaigns, and collaboration with local organizations can enhance overall fire preparedness. It is the duty of the Baton Rouge Fire Department's Fire Prevention Division to prevent incidents that require the response of our fire suppression personnel. It is the job and responsibilities of this division to enforce fire codes and regulations, inspect and abate existing potential fire hazards, and to recommend fire prevention standards. The Fire Prevention Division also requires year-round public education programs for the general public, schools, hospitals, industries, businesses, and civil and fraternal organizations. Prevention is the utmost importance for firefighters, as it helps reduce the occurrence and severity of fires, minimize the impacts of fires when they do occur, decrease economic costs, and allow for more effective resource allocation. By focusing on prevention measures, firefighters can work towards creating safer communities and protecting lives and properties. This makes the job of a firefighter a lot easier, believe me. The fire service culture. The traditional fire service culture, characterized by its strong sense of brotherhood, dedication to duty, and emphasis on bravery and heroism, has been a cornerstone of firefighting for many decades. While this culture has undoubtedly played a vital role in protecting communities, saving lives, it can also pose challenges while adapting to minor community risk reduction methodologies. Fostering a culture that embraces data-driven decision-making is crucial in modernizing and improving the effectiveness of organizations across various sectors, including the fire service. CRR aims to proactively identify and migrate risks within communities to prevent emergencies before they occur, shifting the focus from reactive firefighting to proactive risk management. The fire service culture. Potential challenges that the traditional fire service culture might face when trying to adapt to modern CRR methodologies. Resistance to change. Resistance to change. The traditional fire service culture is deeply ingrained and has historical roots. Firefighters and officers might be resistant to adopting new approaches to the prioritizing prevention and community engagement over traditional firefighting tactics. Changing mindsets and practices can be challenging, particularly in organizations with a long-standing culture. Emphasis on heroism. Traditionally, firefighting culture often emphasizes acts of heroism and bravery in responding to emergencies. While these qualities are important, CRR shifts the focus towards preventing emergencies in the first place. This changes emphasis and might be met with skepticism or concerns about diminishing the importance of heroic actions. Training and education. Transitioning from a primarily reactive approach to a proactive one requires a shift in training and education. Firefighters may need to acquire new skills in community engagements, data analysis, and risk assessments. This transition might be met with reluctance if it's perceived as diverting resources from traditional methods. Leadership and management. Leaders within the fire service might need to undergo a mindset shift to effectively implement CRR methodologies. Managing prevention focused initiatives requires different strategies compared to managing emergency response efforts. Addressing these challenges requires a thoughtful approach that acknowledges the value of both traditional firefighting culture and modern CRR methodologies. Working with citizens and community outreach. Fire Safety House. The division makes up its Fire Safety House, which is a very valuable fire safety educational tool. It is a vital tool in teaching children, as well as adults, the importance of fire safety in the home. Patches, the BRFD's fire department dog, robot. It's used in safety presentations to children. Patches travels to local schools and educates our youth in fire prevention and safety. It is important for a fire department to work with its citizens and engage in community outreach for several reasons. Collaboration between fire department and the community fosters a sense of trust and cooperation. Community outreach allows fire departments to educate and raise awareness of fire safety and prevention. Working with citizens and engaging in community outreach enhances overall emergency response capabilities. Fire educator groups and diversity in fire safety education. Diversity plays a vital role in fire safety education programs as it ensures that information provided is relevant, accessible, and inclusive for all individuals. By considering diverse perspectives, needs, languages, and socioeconomic factors, these programs can effectively address the unique challenges faced by the different communities and empower everyone to prioritize fire safety. Motivating and preparing fire educators groups for effective and diverse program requires a comprehensive approach that includes clear goal setting, comprehensive training, and ongoing professional development. Collaboration, recognition of achievements, provision of necessary resources, culture sensitivity, engagement with community stakeholders, monitoring and evaluation, and continuous communication. By implementing these strategies, organizations can empower fire educators to deliver impactful fire education programs that cater to the needs of the diverse audience. The Baton Rouge Fire Department seriously lacks diversity, which could partially explain its lack of consideration of the needs of the underrepresented communities. Training, education, and professional development. Training and education in the fire service have evolved towards proactive community risk reduction strategies. In Louisiana, innovative methods such as data-driven approaches and interdisciplinary collaboration have improved CRR outcomes. Continuous professional development is crucial to adapt to changing fire prevention dynamics, ensuring firefighters are equipped to handle emerging challenges and technologies. Training and education in the fire service have definitely undergone a significant evolution in recent years, driven by the advancements in technology, changes in fire prevention strategies, and a growing emphasis on community risk reduction. This evolution is crucial to ensure that firefighters are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively respond to emergencies and promote fire safety in their communities. Changes in workforce and society. Societal dynamics have undergone significant shifts that impact fire prevention efforts. Changing workforce demographics, including increasing diversity, an aging workforce, and the rise of temporary workers in the gig economy. Necessitate flexible and adaptable approaches to community risk reduction strategies. The workforce demographics has been experiencing notable transformations which in turn affect fire prevention initiatives. One significant shift is the increasing diversity of the workforce. According to the data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the percentages of women in the labor force has steadily risen over the past few decades. This trend has implications for fire prevention as it necessitates a more inclusive approach that considers the unique needs and perspectives of diverse populations. Future challenges: climate change, urbanization, technological advancement. Climate change, urbanization, and technological advancements all pose significant obstructions to effective risk reduction efforts. Addressing these challenges requires a comprehensive approach that integrates climate adaptation measures, urban planning strategies, and technological innovations into community risk reduction frameworks. A lesson learned from Louisiana experience. By learning from Louisiana experience with Hurricane Katrina, we can better prepare for and mitigate the effects of future disaster. Prioritizing redundant systems, urban planning, and addressing social vulnerabilities are key strategies for enhancing community resilience. CRR leadership within the fire department. Effective leadership is essential for the successful implementation and management of CRR programs. Leaders in this field require a specific set of competencies and skill sets to effectively lead and guide their teams. Risk assessment, community engagement, strategic planning, data analysis and interpretation, communication skills, project management, collaboration and teamwork, adaptability, advocacy, and continuous learning. Public safety, personnel risk reduction. Safeguarding the well-being of public safety personnel, particularly firefighters, is crucial due to their vital role in protecting communities and the inherent risks associated with their profession. By implementing innovative approaches such as advanced technology, utilization, comprehensive wellness programs, and data-driven decision-making processes, the health and safety of firefighters can be prioritized effectively. Ensuring the health and safety of firefighters is of paramount importance, given the risks and challenges they face in their line of duty. Here are some innovative ways to prioritize their well-being. Advanced personnel protective equipment, PPE. Developing and implementing high-tech PPE that incorporates cutting-edge materials and technologies. This could include lightweight and breathable yet highly flammable resistant fabrics, integrating cool systems, embedded sensors to monitor vital signs, and augmented reality (AR) visions for enhanced situation awareness. Biometric monitoring equipment. Equip firefighters with wearable devices that continuously monitor their biometrics, such as heart rate, body temperature, and oxygen levels. Real-time data can be transmitted to a central command center, enabling proactive intervention in the case of any health abnormalities. Drone support. Utilizing drones equipped with infrared cameras to conduct real-time assessments of fire scenes. Drones can help identify hotspots, assess structural stability, and track firefighters' locations, thereby minimizing exposures to hazardous conditions. Robotic assistance. Developing specialized firefighting robots capable of performing tasks in high-risk environments. These robots could be used to handle tasks like entering burning structures to search for survivors or assess the severity of a fire before a human firefighter enters. Telemedicine and remote consultation. Incorporated telemedicine capabilities into firefighting operations. In situations where on-site medical expertise is limited, remote doctors can provide guidance for firefighters and paramedics, improving the quality and initiative medical response. Virtual reality training. Implement immersive VR training sessions that replicate real-life fire situations. This can help firefighters enhance their decision-making skills, hone their emergency response strategies, and practice teamwork in a safe and controlled environment. Wellness and mental health programs. Establish comprehensive wellness programs that address the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of firefighters. This could include regular health checkups, access to mental health professionals, stress management techniques, and peer support networks. Hydration monitoring. Developing wearable sensors that track hydration levels in real time. Dehydration can impair cognitive functions and physical performance, so monitoring and maintaining optimal hydration can significantly impact firefighter safety. Data-driven risk assessment utilizes data analytics and machine learning from algorithms to predict and prevent high-risk situations. By analyzing historically data, weather conditions, and fire behavior patterns, firefighters can receive timely warnings and make more informed decisions. Collaborative communication platforms implement advanced communication systems that allow seamlessly communication among firefighters and incident commanders or other relevant stakeholders. These could involve secure mobile apps, voice-activated interfaces, and hands-free communication devices. Dynamic training simulations. Developing dynamic training simulations that adapt based on firefighters' performance, introducing unexpected challenges and scenarios. This helps improve adaptability and decision-making skills, preparing firefighters for the unpredictable nature of their work. Crew resource management techniques. Incorporate crew resource management principles used in aviation into firefighting operations. These techniques emphasize effective communications, leadership, and teamwork to enhance overall safety and efficiency. By combining technological advancements, data-driven insights, holistic well-being strategies, and these innovative approaches can significantly elevate the health and safety of firefighters, allowing them to carry out their critical roles more effectively and with reduced risk. In conclusion, community risk reduction is an evolving approach to preventing and migrating risks within communities. It encompasses various strategies such as community outreach, education, training, and collaboration between fire departments and citizens. The future of the fire prevention lies in the continued development of CRR practices, which require strong leadership, adequate responses, and a proactive mindset within the fire service. By prioritizing prevention and engaging with communities, fire departments can effectively reduce risks and enhance public safety.